Over man there, see my man. I go to my yard. Faith and strong man. I go to my yard and come back. Should I work? Lord, she can't go work though. That's the one I run down fame. You run down piece of fame, your blood clot.
Hey, go suck your mother and come off of me.
You gonna call me a pussy. Oh, sir. Chat. I'll find the invite off. I gotta do my art. I gotta do my. I fix it back my ears. Me fabulous scene. I just kill the girl them, you know. Me too, fabulous. Handsome, cute and girl. Yeah, I'm cute, I'm fabulous. Cute. Come on, my sweetie. You do lip. I don't do nothing. But I'm off to do my pussy. But I'm off to do my pussy. Sure, I go fix some nice, clean, good as. I remember that day, for a man, we not even call Alice.
You so cocky body boy. Come off a TikTok and go
Leave
suck
her
out your
mother.
mother.
What else you have to say? Yeah, my man later be a trouble. Trouble in the hotel. So me sure what auntie, come here. Come here, so me sure she. Call him rich. Guys, life they have to live, you know. America,
Hey,
what they?
Tikki.
No.
Tikki, I want to send you a nice face cream to promote for me.
What do you want? Okay, no problem.
Okay, darling.
Nurse Brown, would it be good?
Good morning, Tikki. What go on?
Present, I'm here looking at you, the better one.
Good.
Yeah. Brownstone from Jamaica High. Yeah, me good, pretty girl.
Blood. This month the girl them. Blood. This month the girl them. Blood. This month the girl them. Blood. This month the girl them.
It and strong, but I don't know who you are talking. Nurse Pim, you can't be something. She don't like me, you know. Remember when I come here, I make her for $20. Now I cash up on my cross border come here. She don't look for me. She tell me so she don't have it now. Even me see my ask people for them cash up. I tell me I come here. They show me know it could be a problem because enough good people love me. Because one of my auntie rent hotel for me. I don't think that happened to me. How was last night? But tonight a judgment. Tonight a judgment. Basically what happened?
What's going on with you? You look comfortable right now. The Sunday.
I'm a Pegasus, my love. One of my auntie rent hotel for me and my man, my love. For we meet together. I'm at Pegasus.
Where at the hotel in New York?
Yeah.
Let me see it.
Yeah,
So,
come.
what trip there?
India Road. Me I come back
10
see.
man pan the app when me like 10 sweet boy.
Tikki a whole. Talk.
So who are your man where you see you come? Not Trev.
Like Chef, have you come tonight? Chef just come sign me at the hotel. I say I go to work, I'll come back later.
So you stay there for long? 2 days.
1 week she pay for.
What? Ticket me not tell that. Yo, this man
Just
need to
basically
take a
me
page
hear I want
out
sang
of
me
your
a
book.
player. I want sang me a player, that's why me a
This man
come.
need to take a page out of your book. Every minute the only place you can fly go guys at Paris. At Paris? Every minute you fly go at Paris and look at one stay hotel. It is so in here.
Come chat.
Guys, oh God, me I scroll through one video
Come
and bring the
chat.
shop off in again.
Come chat.
I love you.
Come chat.
I love you.
Come chat.
I
Rose
love
chat.
you. So me and Isa travel. Me and Isa go next 3 weeks.
Where you go? Where you do? You fly come to New York?
Me. Me New York. Me and Isa go to California. We're going to one luxury. What you call it? Can't tell me hotel.
Come chat, Roses.
Me and Isa. I'm a friend taking a mini vacation. Come chat.
So we're going to know who the man want for who the man now.
What you mean?
Then I said the boy now want me.
So how you da feel if him come later and you know drink and the things them and you want do but him no want do so the whole week only there. Cause maybe
And the
not
boy come,
tonight
Van and the boy
I
come
work
and just a
it.
fuck take me back and blood clot. Roses chat.
Maybe no want to know cause him just a come from work maybe tired but why if him no want do it for the whole week only there?
I don't want to feel all week if me tonight me make you off all week.
No, you know, no, me never say that. Me I say when he come back tonight, right? Them no want do it because you know him got work, him tired.
Yeah.
Next night I see him thing. Every night him a pill out, him no want you.
He have to give me.
Oh, that me know.
He did what give me today right now, but you know defeat it.
You like it another night?
Yeah, me can't 16 a day.
Night vibe, night gear vibes, I look a buzz.
Yeah.
Me that. No, but true guys. In the night I have one different type of buzz. Day and night, me do it a day and morning, you know, but night time, me never true. You know, just get one
Me
different buzz.
can't do
Like
nothing of you. Come guys.
and out a lower storm.
Me can't 16 a day.
I get ice, so you go popsicle. Ice.
No, not at all. Rose and me love the boy. You know you can't look in your eye, Vanny. Cause you're nervous. Rose when you love young.
Imwa?
Rose when you love young.
Yeah, you're nervous.
Yeah. So you know you can't look in your eye.
Okay.